guys and girls interested in NFTs. This is your daily NFTs Minute. I'm Bright Future Guy, and today is a lovely morning. Sunshine and a little less news from ugly war on Ukraine. So let's focus on something positive. And today I'm going to talk about one project because I received feedback that one or two projects, it doesn't matter that much, and doing a research on more projects daily actually takes more time. So I'll be a little more selective, but I am preparing something new for you, which will be even better than a daily podcast if you are even more time short. So you can't listen daily to something. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to enjoy something like a weekly summary. So here comes today's episode with one of the projects which I'm minting today. And so the project I'm going to talk about today is the one which fits perfectly into March. I'm pretty sure most of you know that March is Women History Month. March is basically female-focused month, and so it would be very topical that there will be a lot of projects, female-led projects, minting and launching in March, which I hoped for, and they are. So continue following, and you'll learn about all the projects which are female-led and are launching in March on a podcast. Today I'm going to talk about 90s Babes. It's 90sbabes.com. 90sbabesnft.com, and it's a women-led project, basically very, very nice and funny crew. I've heard them several times talking on the spaces. They just finished their pre-sale yesterday. Today is public mint, and their goal is simple: empower women through NFTs and onboard more women into NFT Web3 spaces through local communities. So the mission is powerful and makes sense. Of course, it's always about the execution, but there's nothing you could say that there is something wrong with it. They want to create a DAO, of course, which will direct the proceeds and which will give community a chance to, nominate charities, nominate artists, nominate females which should receive some financial support. There is a merch store coming, real life events, donations, things like that. Fully doxxed team, super enthusiastic, a lot of marketing background there, a lot of love for 90s music, and 90s Babes is a collection of 10,000 NFTs, which mint for 0.07 ETH, and the public sale is live now, today on March 3rd. And this is it for today. Just a short reminder, the wallets for supporting Ukrainian army, Ukrainian refugees, or Ukrainian people fighting on the ground are available. There are still a number of NFT collections which are collecting donations, and don't forget, once you buy something from the collection which is supporting Ukraine, all the royalties typically go also 100% for that cause. So you can buy on secondary, you can mint, it doesn't matter, you are helping. And if you can't buy, I can understand that not everybody has liquid ETH or a lot of money to spend. You can always show support by right click save Ukrainian flag on your Twitter banner or on your profile picture. Have a great day, guys. This was your daily NFTs Minute, and I'm Bright Future Guy, and I'll be back tomorrow. Cheers.